how to fix your IT administrator has limited access in Windows 11 23H2. Now, in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and basically open this one right here. So this is going to be the security health setup. I want you to go ahead and download this one. And you can go ahead and download it wherever you want. And then I'm just going to go ahead and basically open this one. And I'm going to go ahead and just simply extract this one right here. And then I'm going to open it, run it as admin. All right, there you go. So that is how simple it is. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is locate this one. So we're going to go over to our local disk C, and then we're going to open Windows. And then from here, I want you to go ahead and look for System 32. And then you're going to scroll down even further, and we're going to look for Security Health. Now, you have the Security Health set up right here. You can go ahead and right click this one and run this one as an administrator. And yep, that is how easy it is to fix this problem. I hope this video helps you out.